So I thought I'd give a little rundown of the nifty little keypad that I've installed here for use with Elite Dangerous to give me some more keys to bind. Let's just hop right in and we'll check it out. First thing I did was add a recenter button. It's kind of convenient. There's nowhere really good on the X-52 to put that. Let's go ahead and launch. And something neat is I've got everything set right here for that. Lights, so easy. Throttle back. Get that gear up.
Landing restraints restricted. You are reminded to observe safe speeds.
Systems and engines. Okay, let's see here. I can make it. Let's get a little chaff.
Speed restrictions lifted. Thank you, Commander. Have a splendid journey.
Something I've always wanted is a key to get to this right here, because I've never had it. Let's just go in here and remove that, and now we can actually go back, which is convenient. Something else I've always wanted is a key for actually just jumping into Super Cruise.
Ready to engage. 3, 2, 1, engage.
Another nifty little feature, which is kind of nice, is being able to toggle orbit lines off and on. It's really convenient if you do a lot of fuel scooping to be able to have the orbit lines on or off or on or off. Oh, where did the base go? Balloonis hub. Go the long way around. Let's see. There it is. And drop out. And we're on the back side of the box.
Zurgon Peterson, Mike Oscar India. The Imperial Flight Operations Bureau welcomes you to our territory. We are honored by your visit. Permission granted. Set down on landing pad 2-3.
Go ahead and see if I can remember how I did it. Turn on, center everything, gear and lights. Where am I going? 23? Recenter the headset. There we go. Like a glove. Turn off them lights. And that's it, really. It's pretty awesome. For $20, you have all those extra buttons right there where you can get them. Thanks a lot.